Good afternoon, mate. How you going today? Hope you're all having a great day. Alrighty, you ready for this one? This is my curried mince. Now, use 350 grams of beef mince. But if you can afford it and you like lamb mince, you can absolutely use lamb mince, alright? Now we need one sweet potato, roughly 300 grams. So I've cut it to exactly 300 grams just to show you roughly what size sweet potato you need. Now, we need an apple. So we want to peel the apple and chop it up into small pieces. We want to peel the sweet potato and chop it up into small pieces. We want 2 brown onions chopped into small pieces. Now I've got a couple of chilies out of the garden. I freeze my chilies. So yeah, if you ever grow chilies, you can actually freeze them. It's just that if you want to eat them raw like you would straight out the garden, they get too mushy. But if you want to use them for cooking, they're still perfect for cooking. So I freeze all mine for when I don't have any. Now we need frozen peas and we need korma curry paste. We also need a 400 gram can of diced tomatoes. We need some sultanas. I've grabbed some mint out of the garden. Yeah, if you ever want to start a garden up, try growing mint first, but put it in a pot or it'll be all up in your stuff. And coriander, fresh coriander. Alright, so with the mint and coriander, we want 2 tablespoons of them both chopped up, right? 2 of each. Alrighty, I'll go chop everything up and let's cook. Medium heat, a dash of olive oil. If you haven't got olive oil, you can use normal oil. If you haven't got normal oil, you can use a little bit of butter or margarine. Onions. Now we want to cook them out for 2 to 3 minutes until they're see-through. Next is quarter of a cup of the korma curry paste. Blend it in. Now we add the mince. And we want to brown it, so we just want to cook it for about 4 minutes. Alright, we don't need to cook it, we just want to brown it. Whew. That korma curry paste, mate, yeah. Now we want to add our can of tomatoes. Oh, that just went everywhere. Sweet potatoes. I've cut them really, really thin, so they cook a lot easier, quicker. Quarter of a cup of sultanas. Alright, stir it in really well. Alright, as soon as we bring it up to a boil, once we've stirred it in well, we want to turn it down to a really low simmer. So you definitely want it bubbling away, but just a simmer. And we want to simmer it 15 to 18 minutes until the sweet potato is soft. Now if it looks like it's starting to get a little bit dry in the process, just add a little bit more water. Yeah, sorry guys, I forgot to say to you. So you can cook this in a saucepan as well, a decent sized saucepan. Now while we're cooking down the sweet potato, you put a lid on. Alright, sorry. Put a lid on, but take it off and stir it every couple of minutes. That way it keeps all the moisture in there to cook your potatoes down. And now I've got to the stage where they're all nice and soft. So that's going to go a bit high. So we want it on a low simmer still. Turn it down a bit. Now that the potatoes are soft, we want to add our apple and peas. Mix it all in really well, and then we just want to simmer it for another 5 minutes. Alright, 5 minutes later, turn the heat off. Once you've got the heat off, add your chilli, your mint, and your coriander. Give it a quick stir in and you're done. Now normally I would make naan bread, and I would serve it with naan bread. Piss off, fly. I'd serve it with naan bread, and like you have it in a bowl and you get your fork and you fork it onto your naan bread, and it's yummy. But I'm spewing, I don't have one of the things I need to make it. So tonight they're getting it on toast. But yeah, if you can, I will make the naan bread over the next couple of weeks as soon as I get everything to do it, alright? So if you're watching this a few weeks after I've done it, look up the naan bread. It is absolutely amazing with it. If not, just do it on toast. I mean, you can do it with mashed potato, you could do it any way you want, but the naan bread is just yum. There we have it. Then once you put it on your plate or whatever, just sprinkle a little bit more coriander on it, and there you go. Oh, it's awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's see if I can zoom in for you for a sec. I don't know how we're going with these lights. Thanks heaps for watching, eh? Have yourselves an awesome day. Definitely give it a go. It is beautiful. Bye.